for the love of food and art at Chim Chim and why you never want to leave. What sort of talent and creative imagination does one need to have to come up with these incredible combinations of flavors? At Chim Chim, a newly renovated space in the Siam at Siam Design Hotel, has a lot to boast. The lobby is a wide open space full of happy colors and ambience is very inviting. It almost makes you feel you are sitting in an art gallery inspired by Andy Warhol. All-day breakfast cafe, Chim Chim makes you feel right at home. Why not start the day with an IPA? Who doesn't love a nice chilled IPA to get the juices flowing? This IPA is from USA and the only one on the menu. Other fine beers are also available, however, this one caught my eye. Corn fritters. These delicious bite-sized corn fritters are the bomb. While waiting to get our other entrees delivered, we snacked on these nice and hot fresh corn fritters. The tasty mouthfuls were slightly sweet mixed with the tanginess of the drizzled mayo, makes you wanna pop one after the other. This cocktail came as cool as a cucumber. Haha. I have always wanted to say that and this time it is true. This one doesn't need much, just a must-try as a cocktail. Chim Chim has done it again. Sweet potato and fig salad. My question to the chef is, how did you get the sweet potatoes to be this exact perfect consistency? It was still in the sweet potato shape yet mushy at the same time. The combination with figs was extraordinary and well, yum. It was the vinaigrette that brought together the pomegranate, lettuce sprigs, and radish. Chim Chim classic pizza. Ground Wagyu beef, cheddar cheese, tomato, shallot, iceberg lettuce, pickles, ketchup mayo, paprika and pickles. Really? Has anyone ever had a pizza with iceberg on it? I love the creativity that goes into the food here at Chim Chim. This pizza is the most popular among the guests who frequent this place on a regular basis. Beef pastrami sandwich and fries. Where have you been all my life? Drool drool. Beef pastrami, sourdough, pickles and all the necessary ingredients to make a whopping deli sandwich. Where can one find beef pastrami this good? At Chim Chim you can eat this till your heart's content. Penne with anchovies. So, a dear friend of mine and I love anchovies on our pizza, which of course is not a popular topping. When we were going to the menu we saw the anchovy pasta and that was our first pick and we are so glad we picked it because it was delicious. Not too fishy, the right sort of creamy and the added parmesan cheese was delightful. Kugana man. Koana man means buttercake in Breton, a Celtic language spoken in Brittany. That and the fact that it is so dense, sweet, salty and wonderfully buttery should make clear that it's no diet food. Pronounced Queen Aman, Koana man wouldn't be one of the world's greatest pastries if it also weren't a legendary labor of love. I am so happy I tried this. I normally don't eat the dessert but for some reason the staff really encouraged us to try Koana man. I am so glad we SAED room for dessert as this was spectacular. You must try this party, even if you pop by there for coffee and dessert only. Chim Chim has an incredible array of homemade pastries and desserts. Vanilla wafers and ice cream. White wafers with layers of cream was the perfect dream dessert and a dollop of the most tastiest vanilla ice cream with tinge of spices mixed in. Take your fork and cut through the crispy wafers and cream to pop it in your mouth. Then take a scoop of the ice cream and mix in your mouth for an explosion of mild gentle flavors. 2 desserts at Chim Chim in one go. Furthermore, I was so lucky to be able to try these and truly enjoy. Thank you so much to the marketing manager for coming and explaining all of our entrees and desserts. It made our selections so much easier. Most definitely I'm coming back to Chim Chim with friends and doing a big large event as more people need to see the amazing happy space and artistic food. Thank you to everyone that made these amazing dishes. www.followforsia.com